Hello 10th class students, hope all of you are fine. Students, today I am going to start our chapter 3rd of history, program and achievements of early nationalists. Dear students, our Indian national movement is divided into three phases. First of all, the moderate phase, which is the period from the year 1885 to 1905. Then the extremist phase, that is from the year 1905 to 1918, and at last the Gandhian period, which is from the 1919 to 1947. The moderate phase, which was the early phase of the International Congress, and it started from the 1885, means the foundation in which year the International Congress was formed. To 1905, it was ended with the division of Bengal. Students, the division of Bengal, which was held in the year 1905, it was a major turning point in the international movement, and because after this the extremists, who were the more aggressive than the moderate leaders, they came into forefront. After the division of Bengal in the year 1905, the extremists, who were the aggressive nationalists, they came into forefront. So it is the extremist phase is from the year 1905 to 1918, and after this 1919 the Gandhian period was started, when the Gandhiji started to participate in our national movement, and they launched a number of programs like civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, quit India movement, these salt satyagraha, these kinds of movements were launched by the Mahatma Gandhi, which led to the at last ended our freedom struggle, and we got independence finally in the year 1947. Firstly, in this chapter I will discuss the moderate phase. It is the first phase of the national movement, and the leadership was in the hands of educated middle class professionals like lawyers, teachers and officials. Students, now actually when the Britishers introduced English language in India, so this is actually first people who learned the Western ideas, who learned the Western thoughts, and they were consist of the middle class. They were the professionals. They were the lawyers, teachers and officials, and they got inspiration from Western liberal and radical thoughts. So they were very much inspired because they read the Western literature. So they were inspired by the Western, and liberal means they were not the orthodox in the India. People were orthodox. They did not want any change. Now they want the change. And radical thoughts, radicals means the persons who wanted complete change in the political and social setup. So they were also called the radical leaders. They got inspiration from Western liberal and radical thoughts. They were called moderates because they adopted peaceful and constitutional means to achieve their demands. Moderates, okay, so they were called moderates because they adopted peaceful. अब देखो जो उनके methods थे वो peaceful थे and constitutional थे to achieve their demands. So that's why they were called the moderates. And leaders were there. जो main leaders थे यहाँ पर, they were the दादाभाई नौरोजी, फिरोज शाह मेहता, सुरेंद्रनाथ बनर्जी, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले and many more were there. These were the main leaders of the moderate phase. Next is what about the beliefs of the early nationalists? अब इनके देखो beliefs क्या थे? They had full faith in the British sense of justice and fair play. अब देखो उनका full faith था, full belief था इनका that Britishers didn't do any injustice with them, and they will provide justice, mean the Britishers will accepted their demand and they fulfilled their demand. They had a full faith in the British sense of justice. They felt that the moment the British understood the problems of the Indians, they would solve them. अब देखो उनको ये बिलीव था कि जैसे ब्रिटिशर्स को इनकी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में अंडरस्टूड करेंगे, इनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को अंडरस्टूड करेंगे ब्रिटिश, so then they would solve their problems. They just wanted certain reforms. अब इनको देखो कुछ एक रिफॉर्म चाहिए थे, like reduction in the army expenditure, promotion of the education. Then they wanted more members, more Indian members in the legislative councils, such that one. They wanted certain reforms only. Okay, and not the full independence. They even felt that the Indians had benefited from the British administration in the form of introduction of English and modern means of transport and communication. अब देखो इनको ये था कि जो इंडियंस हैं वो कहीं ना कहीं ब्रिटिशर्स जो ब्रिटिश रूल से कहीं ना कहीं उनको बेनिफिट मिलेगा, बिकॉज ब्रिटिशर्स इंट्रोड्यूस इंग्लिश एजुकेशन, modern means of transportation like railways were introduced by the Britishers, communication telephones were introduced by the Britishers. So they felt that Indians would be benefited by the British administration. They had trust in the British rule and benefits that came with it. तो उनको था कि जो यहाँ पर देखो काफ़ी ब्रिटिशर्स ने काफ़ी एक्चुअली में जो सोशल ईविल्स थे उनको भी कहीं ना कहीं हमारे सोशल प्रैक्टिसेस को काफ़ी जो थे उनको रिमूव किया था हमारी सोसाइटी से, लाइक दे एबॉलिश्ड द सती सिस्टम, चाइल्ड मैरिज एंड देन अनटचेबिलिटी. सो दे हैड ट्रस्ट इन द ब्रिटिश रूल एंड दैट बेनिफिट्स दैट कम आउट विथ. So these are the main beliefs of the early nationalists. Next what are the methods adopted by the moderates? They used discussions, public meetings, made speeches and passed resolutions to organize public demands. तो उन्होंने देखो डिस्कशंस की, पब्लिक मीटिंग्स की, दे मेड स्पीच एंड दे आल्सो पास द रेजोल्यूशंस टू ऑर्गेनाइज द पब्लिक डिमांड, ताकि जो पब्लिक डिमांड है वो कहीं ना कहीं जो लोगों के व्हाट द पीपल वांटेड फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल. सो इन चीज़ों को लेकर आने के लिए, ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए इन्होंने डिस्कशंस की, पब्लिक मीटिंग्स की, स्पीच की. दे यूज ओनली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मेथड्स एंड आल्सो दे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड रिटन मटीरियल. तो उन्होंने रिटन मटीरियल जैसे लीफलेट्स है, पैम्फलेट्स है, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया. Even they went to England and met British politicians to tell them their point of view. तो इंग्लैंड भी गए, इवन यहाँ से कुछ पॉलिटिशियंस जो थे इंग्लैंड गए एंड दे मेट ब्रिटिश पॉलिटिशियंस. वहाँ से जो ब्रिटिश पॉलिटिशियंस इन्होंने मीटिंग की एंड दे टेल देम देयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. एंड थ्रू द प्रेस दे केप्ट क्रिटिसाइजिंग द गवर्नमेंट. तो प्रेस के न्यूज़पेपर्स के थ्रू भी इन्होंने जो है गवर्नमेंट की रॉन्ग पॉलिसीज़ को क्रिटिसाइज किया. So students, this is all about today. I tell you about today the introduction of the moderate phase and beliefs of the early nationalists, and at last what are the methods of the moderates. And this is a part 1 of our chapter 3rd. Have a nice day. Goodbye all of you.